Mansi from Project Kahaanikhoj Sarkari School We Citizen Foundation, and I welcome you all in our Ajab Gajab workshop. So on the third day of workshop, we are going to tell you how to make comic strips. So for this, we have Tanya.
Hello everyone, I am Tanya.
And we have Pratiksha with us.
Hello, I am Pratiksha.
They will explain the things to keep in mind while creating the comic strips. So go on and enjoy the video.
Today we will tell you about how to make a comic strip.
So let's start on how to make a comic strip. Step 1. Write a short story. Begin with writing a story that shouldn't be too long, neither too short. Then try to make it humorous or action. Next, decide the number of characters you want. The characters may vary from story to story.
Now, step 2. First point, draw the frames. Second point, you need to decide how many frames you want in your comic strip. Third point, make sure to not make it messy. Point 4, best number of frames for a comic strip is 3 or 4. Fifth point, make them big inside so that you don't run out of space. Also, make sure that each frame is equal.
Step 3. Characters. Start with the basic shapes like circle, square or oval. You can also try to make stick figures that will make your work easy. Ensure that you make space for little bubbles. Since comic strip requires expression, thus try a little bit to learn to draw basic expressions.
Now, step 4. First point, add in the speech. Second point, it's now time to add dialogues to your comic strip. Third point, make sure to constantly keep check on your spellings. Fourth point, you can use capital letters for expression like shouting and small letters for expressions like whispering. Fifth point, use attractive phrases like damn, ooh, wow, oh, etc.
Step 5. Add the details. Fill in the boxes with background to make it attractive. Also, fill in the colors to end it.
We hope you enjoyed the video.
Good luck and show your support.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to attend tomorrow's workshop to see a live example of comic strip. Till then, bye bye and see you soon.